Yesterday, I was interviewed by Fox 2 News here in St. Louis about one of my clients that's being held in ICE custody while his state case is still pending. Now, he was out on bond, and because of that, ICE was able to come and pick him up. I haven't had any clients that are in custody with the state be taken by the feds at this point, but he was more susceptible because he was out on bond. Now, the feds don't want to give him back, and that's why it was a news story, and that's what Fox 2 reported on. But one of the questions that I was asked during the interview didn't make the clip, and I kind of wanted to talk about it now because it was a good question. The question was, what would I say to people that essentially say he's charged with this serious crime here in St. Louis, and he's here illegally, he overstayed his visa. Should he be just deported? Why shouldn't he be just deported? And my answer is simple. He's innocent until proven guilty in the eyes of the law. Right? We have the Constitution, and he has rights to due process. Now, we can't start to go down this road where we like portions of the Constitution and then we don't like other portions or ignore other portions of the Constitution. All of the Constitution matters, and really, innocent until proven guilty is one of the pillars that this country has been built on. And that applies to everybody here that's been charged with a crime, whether here illegally because you overstayed a visa or not. And he needs to have the right to be brought back and have his day in court, because that very well might affect his deportation proceedings. If it's a not guilty and this case goes away, that will substantially change what may happen with his deportation. Sure, he could still be deported, but all the factors need to be taken into account. Also, the state of Missouri has the right to have this case tried also. The accuser has the right to have her day in court as well. So for all of those reasons, the Constitution is wildly important, obviously, that he is innocent until proven guilty. We have a process for due process here in this country. It's the jury trial, and he has a right to that by the Constitution, by the Bill of Rights, and all we want is to get him back from the feds so that he can have his day in court.